we are talking first time, so please give me your brief introduction, short
Yeah.
introduction.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Why not? So, first of all, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Mrs.
Good
Meena.
afternoon.
I have done my graduation long time ago in Pune University. I am a mother of two kids, and yes, I'm calling from Mumbai, which is located in state of Maharashtra. And yes, I am a housemaker. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel just few last month ago. Okay, and like this conversation, I upload over there on my YouTube channel. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay,
And could you introduce
okay.
yourself, please?
Yeah, sure. My name is Preeti Pandey. I am from UP. In UP, I belong to basically Gorakhpur. If I am talking about my qualification, I have completed graduation. I have completed BA degree. I have also cracked UP TET and CTET. Now I am preparing for government job. But only my health issue. Nowadays, I am pregnant, so that's why I am not
Oh,
preparing for for government exam.
congrats, ma'am. Congrats. Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. So that's why I am learning this language. I want to utilize my time good way. So I am happy with this language. I am totally beginner. Simultaneously, I am also running a YouTube channel, but I started few days ago. It is about
Okay,
me. If I
no
am
problem.
talking about my hobby, I love painting, dancing, and writing. I write poem. It is about
Oh,
me.
seriously?
Yeah,
You,
I love.
you, wow! I love to hear your one poem at least.
Sorry, ma'am, but I 1 minute. I don't recall because when I write, then I write
No problem.
diary.
We read your poem here because it's your self poem, na? So that's why you can read here. No issue.
So 1 minute. So tell me something about. In last, I read a poem for you.
Okay. No problem. Yes. I
So so you are doing anything else like job or anything else? How long have
actually,
been? Okay, tell me. Go
yes.
ahead.
Actually, I left my job 1 year ago. So right now, I you can say yes, I am housemaker. That's it.
Uh, So, what is your reason behind learning this language? Because yeah, it is a global language, and
Yeah.
everyone.
Yes,
That's why learning
that's
this
why
language.
only. I actually what is happened. I love traveling. Actually, I'm very passionate to travel as well. So yes,
Okay.
so I visited different places over there, and I connect over their people. And yes, I don't know about their mother tongue, and they don't know about my mother tongue, and then
Yeah.
to connect with that people. Okay, so that's why yes, little bit they know this language, and I know about this language. So this is only one language I would like to connect with that people. Yes, I most of the part of South India I visited over there. So yes, South Indian people very little bit know about Hindi, but they know very well about English. So that's why I feel I have to learn this language. And yes, definitely I am very passionate about this language since my childhood. And that time it's not sufficient environment. I will not enhance my language that time. Yes, so that's why now this day I got little bit free of time, and that's why I utilize this my time to learn this language. So yes,
Okay.
it's good thing and great feeling. I enhance my language through this practicing, through connect like these people, and yes, it's a definitely work to enhance my yes confidence level, I can say here.
Yeah, if you, I think if you learn something, so you make happy yourself always,
Yeah.
and you younger than by heart. It is my personal experience. So, how long have been learning this language, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. You can say here it is just a few minutes ago, few sorry, few
So,
months ago.
okay, that's
By
that's
mistake.
great. So, So tell me something about your past story, like anything like childhood story, because many viewers face problem in our child past tense. So if you describe your past, any story what you want, like childhood, yeah, any
Yeah,
story,
yeah. Yes,
then it
yes.
is
Sure,
a
sure.
beneficial for
Yeah.
viewers, because many viewers also message me that I face in past tense. So if you describe, then because
That's
you
the
speak very
memory.
well.
It's important memory, our childhood, from our childhood for everyone, and it's everyone happens that memory. And yes, it's very important thing, and that memory is we just learn and we just live with that memory, isn't it? So yes, definitely each and every person have that childhood memory. It doesn't matter it's good or bad, it's funny or sad, it doesn't matter. But yes, I like my childhood memory. I want to mention here one memory over here. So yes, it's my school time memory. Yeah, that time I was very sick in my that particular standard, that so I couldn't sufficient to get marks in that particular
Yeah.
subject. Yes, my rank below get got below. So that time I feel very nervous. I cried over there front of my teacher and front of my class. Okay. And then and in fact my partner who sat along with my bench desk. Okay. And he she got more marks comparatively me. And then yes, I feel very nervous. And then I ask about that all things about my teacher. So she told to me, don't worry, don't cry. Okay, you have to work hard now. This day you are not feeling well, so yes, definitely you will better marks next exam. So you have to do study well, and then you will get better marks instead of your co-learners. Okay. Then yes, that time I cried. Okay. And then what happened? The next exam, I got first rank. You know, and
Oh,
then
that's great.
then my class teacher called me front of my class. And yes, that time she told all over class. Okay, she told in Hindi, पिछली बार वो रोई थी, उसके आंखों में आंसू आए थे, उसके आंखों के आंसू अभी मोती बन गए हैं, फर्स्ट उसने फर्स्ट रैंक लाके, ऐसे बोला था उन्होंने। तो
Oh my
दैट
God.
always keep in my mind, and it's a great thing whenever I
Yeah,
remember
nice.
particular that thing. So I feel very happy, and sometimes I again feeling crying, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a very
Yeah.
heart touching story, really. Because if you got failed and after then you take position in your class, it is a very like honor. You feel very
Yes,
good that time.
yes,
It
yes,
is
yes,
very
ma'am.
difficult for everyone, because if you failed anything, so it is very difficult. Then you take decision and you got rank our class. So it is a very
Mm.
heart touching story. Really, I love it. This story. So
Yeah.
that time increase your confidence, because if you
Hello.
failed then you decrease. Hello.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you fail, that time you
Yes, ma'am.
decrease
Yes.
your confidence. So that's why student
Yeah.
face like that problem. But you are like brave girl, you took
Thank you.
took rank in your class, so it
Yeah.
is great. So how old is your child?
Yeah, I have two kids, and yes, my younger is right now ninth standard, and elder is
Oh
now
my god.
yeah, first year
But look at this,
engineering.
you are look
Elder
like,
one.
oh my God, you are so motivated, but you look like younger. Really, I am not buttering you like me.
You,
You are. Oh, I
you
think
very
you
much.
got married very like young age. I am
Yeah,
right.
thank you very much.
After
Yeah.
graduation, I think you got marriage.
Yeah. That's why there that time lots of responsibilities, in-laws family from in-laws family, and I couldn't uh, uh, connect this language. So yes, it happens our life, isn't it?
So
And now I again
yeah, it is.
utilize this time
Yeah,
connect
it
this
is a
language. That's
life.
good
I
thing.
think
Yeah.
one time I talked a 43 years old ago, and he told me that age is number. If you want to
Yeah.
learn anything, then you can learn
Yes.
any age. And
Definitely,
if
ma'am.
you,
Definitely.
yeah,
There are
if you,
lots of
if you,
people over there. We can motivate from that people. There is lots of people, isn't it? So we are very small, that front
so,
of that people, isn't
and
it?
he, and she also mentioned that if you want to really want to do something in life, so age is not matter. So I remember
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
thing.
That's
If
true.
you
That's
convert
true.